electrochemical cell, a device used to convert the chemical energy produced in a redox reaction into electrical energy is called as electrochemical cell or simply a chemical cell. These are also called as galvanic cell or simply Voltaic cell. In electrochemical cell, two types of reactions are take place. One will be reduction, means gain of electron, and another will oxidation, means loss of electron. An electrochemical cell is composed two compartment or half cell, each composed of an electrode deep in a solution of electrolyte. These half cells are designed to contain the oxidation half cell reaction and reduction half reaction separately as shown below. In oxidation half cell reaction, zinc rod deep into zinc sulfate solution, while in reduction half cell reaction, copper rod deep into copper sulfate solution. The half cell called as anode at the side where oxidation of zinc occurs as shown below. During the oxidation of zinc, the zinc electrode will slowly dissolve to produce zinc ion, which enter into the solution containing Zn plus 2 ion and SO4 minus 2 ion. The half cell called as cathode is the site at which reduction of copper occurs as shown below. When the reduction of copper ion occurs, copper atom accumulated on the surface of the solid copper electrode. Now we have discussed about salt bridge. The reaction in each half cell does not occur unless the two half cells are connected to each other. Salt bridge is an inverted U-shaped glass tube containing electrolyte KCl and potassium nitrate. It acts as bridge by connecting two half cells. It helps in to completing the electric circuit to prevent mixing of solution of two half cells to help maintain electrical neutrality. The electrochemical cell produced by use of salt bridge is shown in figure. In figure, zinc electrode and copper electrode are connected by a salt bridge. Now, second type of cell is electrolytic cell. It is a device to convert electric energy into chemical energy. An electrolytic cell is an electrochemical cell in which the energy from an applied voltage is used to derive an otherwise non-spontaneous reaction. Such a cell could be produced by applying a reverse voltage to Voltaic cell like the Daniell cell. Thank you.